Hey guys, I'm doing another video pretty much how to mount and then punch down a network rack. We ran lines throughout the office and they all come to here, so I'm gonna make a nice organized rack as you see in this picture above. And we're gonna organize it, make it nice and neat. And these are typically how my racks usually look like. So stay tuned, watch it, it's gonna be pretty quick. I'm not giving you steps, but it's just a quick video. So first we start off with the rack. We take out the box, as you see, putting the door on, the sides and stuff like that. We have to position it in the center of the wall. We found the beam, so we place the beam up top. And then we drill holes. We had to drill special holes into it because the beams were too far apart. And then we place the rack on the wall, but we both need two people to do that. It wasn't even, so we brought it back down. We used the ladder. I had to drill another couple of holes, and then I also had to fish the cable through the wall to get them to come like up above the top and down through that hole. Then after that, we start organizing and just anchor the rack in, and then I start doing the patch panels. What I like to do is I like to do a bunch at a time. So I start stripping the wires, stripping them out. As you can see, take the patch panel out, and then I start placing them in. Boop, 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 boop. So I usually do like strip six of them, and then I start punching them down. I'm punching them down in each sections. I usually do an order. When I run the cables, I label the cables by the numbers, and keep going like that. So I do a voice, and that's the data one. The first one was a voice patch panel. So I do a voice, and then I just keep punching them through. I know it's going pretty quickly here. Try not to make mistakes. You do make a little mess too, so you see underneath I have a box there to catch all the cables that come down. You don't want to get too messy. So let's just keep going through that. As you see, I got them done. Then you got to place the patch panels in the rack, make it look nice and neat. Then I usually put the voice up top and then the data down below. I had two datas, so I do that, and this is the finished project.